What is up, guys? Just wanted to warn you guys that this video is all over the place. If you're like a freshman, incoming freshman for college or anything, just know that apartment move-in or dorms move-in are crazy packed and it's gonna take a long time to move in. So I've been crazy busy like moving everything into my room. I'm pretty much done with it, just have to put up a few more decorations. But before this video starts, I just wanted to warn you that I didn't get everything. It's kind of hard to film everything when you're carrying boxes up 5 floors of stairs. I wanted to do a little like room tour, show you where I got everything for like super good prices for decorating my room. And hopefully you guys enjoy just this little video of like traveling here. It was a 7.5 hour drive, so that's awesome. But I do get to keep my car this year on campus, so I'm excited about that. Hope you guys enjoy this video. This is how she feels about me leaving. Weird. Okay. Good morning. Oh! Using this Duval facial cleansing. It's like a spin care. I've been using it for a while. This is a box and it's really good to clean your face with. And if you guys want to get 70% off, click in the link below and you can use my code. So yeah, I have an 8-hour drive today and this is my best friend. You've probably seen her in videos. How am I gonna hang out with? Who am I gonna hang out with? The one person in mind. I got my lashes done yesterday and they're really big. Why are you showing your butt? I'm a stripper. They look like this. Pretty much have packed everything. These are all my boxes with all my clothes.
Okay, so here's a suitcase full of Annabelle's stuff. Here's a pile Annabelle's gonna put in the trash. Here's all the boxes that she's taking. Here is a bin of just her shoes.
So this is my apartment. This is the kitchen area. Rooms we have and then we have our bathrooms with 2 sinks and then toilet and shower. So I'm hanging up all my clothes. So we have all of our boxes right here. A little closet area. The food. The mom. Food.
Publico.
And the food.
Publico.
Here is my room. And my mom's poofy hair. Okay, thanks. So my bed.
But you're gonna record when we put that stuff on the wall.
Yeah,
right?
I can see Dad in the mirror. Beginning. Dad's sitting.
Ready to study.
On the right.
The process is coming along. This is the before. Oh, get your hands out of there. Taste
Look at
test. Taste test.
Oh, I don't think I could do that.
You can't?
Well, it's pretty big.
This is really bad lighting, but I wanted to show you guys my apartment tour and how I decorate my room and everything. So when you walk into my apartment, there's room A, some cabinets for storage, room B, room C, and then my room, which is room D. Walk in, I just have my bed, which I went for kind of a blue, gray, and white color scheme kind of. And I put up these cute little gray curtains today and they were like $9 from Walmart, so I recommend getting those. Then I got this gray little fuzzy pillow from HomeGoods, these blue pillows from HomeGoods also, and then these white pillows from Costco. This gold cute little body mirror was $4 from Walmart, so I recommend looking at Walmart for that. I have this cute little rug which I had in my room back home. Got it for like $5 or $6 off Shein, so I would check out their cute little room decor things. And I just have some chargers over here. Under my bed, I have these 2 huge drawers with like my pajamas, shorts, workout clothes. And on the left, I have a big tub of like snacks and crackers and stuff. And here on the floor, I have this rug from Target that I bought last year. And it just adds to the room, makes it look like bigger and nicer. I just hang my backpack, my purse, and then I also have my scooter, which I also got last year. This little clothing hamper.
And here, this is weird that I've always wanted a clothing rack, but I finally got a clothing rack. This was $7 at Walmart, and I know people pay like $100 for these, so $7. And I just put some white clothes on the right and some black clothes. That way, it's just like is neutral with the room decorations and stuff. Then here I have my closet, and I've hung all of my clothes here. So I have my tank top, sweaters, long sleeves, and everything hung up. And underneath, I have my $6 Walmart shoe racks. And I have one there, and then just some laundry detergent on the left. Up here, I just have a cute little basket of goldfish, like for movie night snacks. And then 2 big Lulu bags and some extra clothing hangers in case I purchase anything else. Here I have my desk, which isn't fully figured out yet or decorated, but I just have some cute little decorations from Shein or gifts that were given to me. A little mirror from Walmart, a cute little picture, hand sanitizer, a like cute candle. Then I have this gold lamp from Walmart. I have these 2 little succulents, and then this cute little candle in this little glass cup. I also bought this blue chair, which is from Home Goods, and it's really, really comfy. It goes with the room, and just a soft, cushiony chair. Up here, I have some stringed up pictures with pins, and it's just like friends and family and stuff hung up, cute little pictures. Here, I have this mirror, which I plan to put on this wall right here, but I'm gonna need someone to help me to do it because it is kind of heavy. But yeah, that's my idea for that one to put up there. And then right by the door, I have just another commando hook, and I just hang my keys there so they're easy to access and I don't forget them when I'm leaving the room. So yeah, that is basically my apartment tour. I'm sure things will change soon and I can do like an updated apartment tour like I did last year with my dorm. But yeah, I'm really happy with my apartment. It's very spacious. My roommates are super sweet. And if you guys want to know anything else about GCU apartment dorm living, I am a sophomore here, so I don't have that much experience, but a little bit of freshman experience. I'm adding a few more decorations to the walls, and then I really like how the room has come. My parents helped me a lot. I took them to the airport today, so I'm already missing them, but yeah. And I did bring my car this year. I have a Jeep Renegade. I know some people do car tours and some people enjoy that, so if you guys wanted me to do like a Jeep car tour kind of, then I would be happy to do that for you guys. I know it helps if you're like 16 looking for like a type of car that you would like my honest opinion on how good the car is. But so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you're in college and how your apartment and dorm setup is. It's interesting hearing how other people live in their apartments. Yeah, thanks for watching, and yeah, see you next week.
You should meet me on the east side in the city with the sun on set. And every